Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a really fun guest room refresh slash makeover for you today. I am having house guests 2 weekends in a row and this room needed serious attention. I'm just showing you the before right now. It's not terrible, but it's junky. Do you guys do this? Like if you have a room in your house that doesn't get much use, you just kind of store stuff in there and then you go in one day and it is a nightmare, and I needed to show this room some attention. So I'm doing this on a real budget. I just bought 2 items to refresh this room. I'm going to show you what they are, but I wanted to do this inexpensively because I mentioned this in my last video, my porch refresh. Fall is right around the corner, and in the fall I do another refresh on this room. Fall and winter is when I have most of my overnight guests, and so I really like to make it warm and cozy in the winter and in the fall. So I know I'm going to spend more attention in just a few weeks, guys, like not even a few months. Fall is right around the corner. There is Eli. It's been a long time since we've had Eli as a guest star in a video. He's gonna help me do the bed, help slash make it a lot harder. So anyway, I wanted to do this inexpensively, but I still wanted it to look nice. The first thing I'm doing is I'm removing this old duvet cover I had on the bed. I love white bedding, so what I'm gonna replace it with is gonna be white, but this duvet cover it was time to go. It was actually a king size duvet cover, and this is a queen size bed. So the insert that I had in the duvet cover was a queen size. It was way too big. There were tears in it from my cats playing. So I got this new one. I got it at Home Goods. I got it in the clearance section and it was just $25, which is a great price. It's really high quality. And like I said, it is white. I love white bedding. All of the rooms in my home have white bedding, but this has some texture to it. It's got like a knobby, is that the right word? It's got like this beachy texture to it. So it adds some dimension and some depth. It adds some warmth even though it's still white. I really do like it. Eli is gonna really make it hard for me to do though. Do you guys hate putting the insert into the duvet cover? It is one of my least favorite chores to do. I absolutely hate it. If you have tricks for making this process easier, aside from don't let your cat be in the room, let me know in the comments because I find this process very difficult. But once I get this done, it's all gonna be easy downhill from here. So I'm putting the new duvet cover on the bed. I'm using the old sheets that I already had. They're nice. Oh, oops. Be careful when you're straightening out your blankets so you don't knock stuff over. But I am gonna add like some new pillows and some new blankets. And one of the things I'm gonna do in this room refresh to make it so budget and cost effective is I'm gonna shop my home. I love doing this when I wanna add some pizzazz to a room. I just go around my house and I see what I have. Sometimes just moving things around, bringing in something with a new color from another room, it can really change the personality of a space. So I love shopping my house for accessories, for throw pillows, for throw blankets, and that's what I'm gonna do here. And then aside from that, I'm gonna declutter. You might see on those end tables beside the bed, I've got a lot of accessories, and there's a dresser across from this bed with a lot of accessories. And you know, when I was putting this stuff in there, I liked it, but now at this point, I think it's way too much. It's summer. I want things to be clean and bright and fresh and streamlined. So a big part of this process is just decluttering, and that's another good tip. If you've got a room and it like doesn't feel inviting and you don't really like being in the space, it might be too cluttered. So just remove some items. It's like that rule of fashion, right? I don't know who it was. Was it Coco Chanel who said, whenever you're getting ready, look in the mirror and take one thing off. So that's what I'm doing in here. And I'm just layering up my blankets. That's almost done. And then I'm gonna throw my pillows back on, and then I'm gonna add some throw pillows that I also got in the clearance section at Home Goods. I have a throw pillow problem. So anytime I'm doing a refresh like this, it's super easy for me to go around my house and find throw pillows that are in other rooms. I have an abundance of them. Again, let me know in the comments. Do you have this problem? Hashtag throw pillow problem. But I have them in all colors, all shapes. I think in that before shot that I showed you, if you noticed, I have a Hello Fall pillow sitting on the like armchair in this room, so that obviously needs to go. But I brought in some blue. I thought this would be a really pretty color for summer, and like I said, I got this on clearance. I got this for just $16 for the 2 pillows, so it was $8 a pillow. They're down pillows. They are very nice quality. I know I'm going to be saving these for using them for years to come. And then I'm going to throw in another pillow that I actually already had. It says night, y'all. How cute is this pillow? The other side says morning, y'all, so you can change it depending on the time of day. I think it's super cute. I got it at Kirkland's probably a year ago. I'll link that below if I can find it, if they still sell it, but I think it's really charming. I think it goes perfect with the colors in here. And then, like I said, I'm just decluttering. Look at that. I just got a vase of really old dead flowers out of there. Seriously, guys, time to do some refreshing. So I'm just taking everything out. I'm getting all of this stuff that's on the floor. I've got like old pictures that need to be hung in here. I don't know why they're in here. And I've got excess side tables shoved in here. I also have like a thrifting hobby. I love to find old pieces of furniture and paint them and fix them up. But your guest room is not a great place to store those items, is it? So to the basement they will go. I've got like crates stacked under these end tables. This is all gonna feel so much brighter, fresh once I get all of this out of here. Oh, and I got this really pretty throw blanket just from another room. I think this might have been in my daughter's room, but I really liked the stripes. Something about the navy and the stripes. It felt very beachy to me, which is, I think, great for a summer guest room. And you might see I've got other kind of beachy accents going on in here. The Nantucket sign, which was a thrifting find for like a couple dollars. I get so much of my wall art secondhand. That tennis racket that's up there, I think I paid like $2 for that at a church rummage sale. Thrifting, rummage sales, tag sales, garage sales, Goodwill, such great places to find stuff to hang on your walls. I know some of us really struggle with getting if you've got a big wall, right, you need to fill it up with a lot of stuff and it can get expensive. So I think secondhand is definitely the way to go. If you guys like, let me know in the comments below. I would love to do a video on like thrifting tips, thrifting hacks, what to look for when you go to secondhand shops. I am secondhand shopping all the time, so it's something that I absolutely love to talk about. And there's Eli, he's come back. I guess he didn't want me to finish without him. He loves this room now. This bed is one of his favorite napping spots. And then, like I said, I'm just picking up items from other rooms. I didn't buy this stuff. I thought this was a bright pop of color, so I'm putting it on the accent chair and adding this other little green pillow. And then I'm gonna add some like picture frames that I got from around the house. I am gonna put pictures inside them, I promise. I got a lot of the clutter off this dresser, and then I'm adding just a few simple touches in this kind of beachy color scheme that I'm going for. And then fresh flowers is a great thing to add to a guest room. Trader Joe's has peonies out right now, you guys, for just $7.99. Pick them up. And then this little water decanter, I think I hauled this like a few months ago. I got it at a flea market for a couple dollars. I think that's perfect for a guest room. And then on the other side, more flowers and a candle. That's all you need. I had so much on these tables before, and this is much, much better. Scaled back, somebody can go to sleep in here and not feel like they're surrounded by crazy stuff. I think this is so much better, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think. Do you like what I've done? Do you see a big difference? I see a big difference. I just did a few things, right? And I think it made a big, big difference. These are things that you can do in your own home. Shop your house, rearrange things, declutter. We're all on the KonMari train, I think. This feels so much better. It's a space I like being in now. So does my daughter. She's been watching movies in here since I did this. She loves this room too. And I'm really happy for my guests to come and have this space to relax in. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna try some of these tips. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit the red subscribe button so you don't miss future videos. I do easy projects every single week. I will see you guys next time.